Hello, my name is Dasha, and the main problem in our town is garbage. It's almost everywhere on the grass, in the woods, near the pond, on the sidewalks, near the dumps. Sometimes I don't understand if it's so hard to throw garbage in the dump. Since this the question arises, what to do with it? First of all, you can enter fines. Then those who throw out the garbage should be scared and not do it. Um, and to know exactly who will throw garbage, you can put cameras or hire people who will monitor the clean lines of the yard. And yet we know that most garbage is plastic. It can be converted into energy.